السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome back everyone to another video learning Quran for the beginners. Inshallah, today in this video we will learn about the Arabic diacritics, Tashkeel. So Tashkeel are the symbols used in the Quran. So Alhamdulillah, in previous videos we just learned about the Arabic letters and different shape of the letters. And now we will learn all of the symbols and the name of the symbols. First one, Fatha. So Fatha always you will see top of the letter, and Fatha also called Zabur as well. Fatha make a sound. If Fatha on the top of the Alif, you say Alif, Fatha, A. Remember, short A sound. A. Ba Fatha, Ba. Ta Fatha, Ta. Like this. Next one, Kasra. Kasra also called Zer. Kasra always will see bottom of the letter. Kasra make E or I sound. So if Alif Kasra, E. Ba Kasra, B. Ta Kasra, T. Short sound. Next one, Dhamma. Dhamma always you'll see top of the letter. And Dhamma also called Pesh. Dhamma make E sound. Alif Dhamma, U. Ba Dhamma, Bu. Ta Dhamma, Tu. Short E sound, inshallah. Next one, extended Fatha or extended Zabur. Or maybe you can say standing Fatha. So standing Fatha we see top of the letter and it's make a sound as well. The difference between this Fatha and extended Fatha is this is short sound and this one will make the long sound. Stretch the sound. So Ba, standing Fatha. Ba, Ba, extended Fatha. Ba, Ba Fatha, Ba. Next one, extended Kasra or Zer. So extended Kasra, do the same thing like Kasra, E sound, short E sound. Just different is when you stretch the sound for the standing Kasra, extended Kasra. So Ba extended Kasra, B, Ta extended Kasra, T, like this. Next one, extended Dhamma or inverted Dhamma, upside down Dhamma. So upside down Dhamma does the same thing like a Dhamma, make E sound, just stretch the sound for inverted Dhamma. So if there is inverted Dhamma with Ba, Ba inverted Dhamma, Bu, Ta inverted Dhamma, Tu, like this. So just stretch the sound for a second. Go for the next one, Fathatain. So double Fatha or double Zabur. Double Zabur always comes on the top of the letter and make N sound. If Ba Fathatain, Ben. Ta Fathatain, Tan. So I'll suggest to say with Fathatain, not double Fatha or double Zabur. Just the Kasratain. Kasratain always see bottom of the letter, make In sound. Example, Nun Kasratain, Nin. If that Ba Kasratain, Bin. Like this. Next one, Dhammatain. Okay, double Dhamma or double Pesh. Double Pesh make Un sound. Okay, Ba Dhammatain, Bun. Ta Dhammatain, Tun. Tha Dhammatain, Sun. Inshallah, we'll continue with the use of the symbols in our next videos. Just quickly here this video to introduce you the symbols actually. Okay, so next one, Sukun. We can see little wow shaped sign. Okay, to remember how is wow look like. So little wow shaped sign, the top of the letter, it's called Sukun, sometimes called Sakin or Jazam. And it has two different shapes as well. Sometimes we see in the different Quran like a opposite V shape or little circle shape as well. So most commonly we can see the little wow shape, Sukun, and Sukun is basically for the joining of the letter, like Alif, and it's the Sukun and the Ba. So Alif, Ba, Fatha, Ab. So Alif join with Ba. Okay, next one, Shadda, little W shape sign. Shadda, also Shadda called Tashdid sometimes as well. So to remember, Shadda or Tashdid. I suggest shadda always. So shadda for the doubling the sound. So if, for example, ba has a shadda, and so alif will join with ba, alif ba fatha ab, ba fatha ba, abba. So ba has double sound. 2 times we pronounce the ba because of shadda. So shadda used for the doubling the sound. Okay, here we can see 2 more different signs. So it's called mad sign. So mad means stretching, prolongation. So this sign, when you see in the Quran, in the word, will just stretch the sound. For this is called long mad sign or short mad sign. So for long mad sign, we'll stretch the sound for maybe 4 to 6 haraka, or maybe easy way you can say 4 seconds. And for the short one, we'll make it 2 or 3 seconds. So when you, and lastly, you can see the wasla sign. Wasla sign actually is the symbolic mark of the letter swad, and wasla sign only you will see on the top of the letter alif in the Quran. And when this alif has carrying a wasla sign, is called hamzatul wasl, and hamzatul wasl has the completely different rules. When we are reciting, inshallah we'll have different video about it. So now just simply we just introduce with the different symbols in the Quran, and we will be continue with how to the use of the different symbols, inshallah. And as we following the Ahsan al-Qawabid, we'll continue with the Ahsan al-Qawabid. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.